Design and manage a garden collaboratively with others. Tisanji allows multiple users to work at the same time in the same garden. This is very useful if several people are designing or performing tasks in the garden. This feature also allows you to create a garden and then transfer it to another person. In addition, the new feature synchronizes your garden in real time if you are working on multiple screens at the same time. To invite other users to participate in your garden, simply go to the Share menu and add the email address of the person you want to invite. Whether or not that person already has a Tisanji account, they will receive the invitation and be able to join your garden. You can change each user's permission at any time, edit the design, perform tasks, and manage the garden. The Manage Garden feature allows you to invite or remove other users, change their permissions, and modify certain information about the garden, such as its name. Only the garden owner can delete the garden, and only the owner can transfer ownership of the garden to another user. Until a guest joins your garden, they will appear as invited. When a guest opens a garden, they become a participant. When you are invited to a garden, it appears with an orange frame. You are not required to join a garden, and you can leave a garden at any time by pressing the exit icon. Please note that collaborating on a garden counts towards the number of gardens you are entitled to. When you are the owner or administrator of a garden, you can see all the information about other users. However, as a participant, you can only see the email addresses of the owners and administrators of the gardens so that you can contact them. For privacy reasons, you can only see the names of other users. You can see in real time which users are currently connected to the garden. Each user appears in a small bubble at the top right. We wish you many wonderful moments of sharing and collaboration with Tisanji. Happy gardening!